Alright, subscription time. This makes me happy it came today. Wait. So that I enjoy getting the subscription. Can you get it out here, please, sir? Oh my god! This is funny. Oh, it's a new one. Ooh! Oh my god! No, that's funny as crap. Okay, first one is a new version. It's the Handcaster Dog Tag. It's a new one, new version. I'm going to use this. I'm going to actually put this into my bug out bag I'm building for woolen. That's nice. That is worth $9.50. Next is, you know what's funny? Seriously, I was thinking of buying this here. The Bill Rogue Sparrow Bushcraft signature cord. Let me read what it has on it. The Bill Rogue, I'm assuming it's Rogue, O-U-G, O-O-Q-U-E, signature cord. Survival cord was created by bushcraft expert and lockpicks enthusiast Bill Rogue of Sparrow Bushcraft. This cord contains several tools created for both urban and outdoor situations. 4 lockpicks, including combs, rakes, hooks, and wooded picks, as well as tools like saws and tweezers. Fantastic tool for many situations. When you're done using the tool, simple sort of thing. That's funny because I want it. Because I was actually going to buy this. I was going to buy this too. I literally was going to buy this. Of course, it's $21.95 for the MS Pavilion, but hey, shoot. I like it. Next is Cinder Block Rocket Stove. Oh, this is going to be nice. This is a post-apocalypse thing. Yeah, that's a post-apocalypse type thing. That's $185, and then finding the north side of a magnet, which actually will help me. $195 or $185 too. That's nice. That is nice. That, of course, and you got this standard business card, which, hey, that's nice. That is really nice. That is really nice, actually. That is super nice. I was going to actually buy this for real. That's cool. I like that. And, hey, a new version of the Castle card, which, my god, that looks really nice here. So, yeah. This has been the subscription for Grim Workshop for June 2025. Definitely 2 thumbs up. Because this could actually help in a lot of situations. So, yeah. Anyway. Some post-box survival. Maybe survival in the wasteland. God bless.